Before installing Ezcad2 software, first you need to power on the machine and connect the USB cable from the machine to your computer. Then copy the files in the USB flash drive that came with the machine to the computer. And save the U-disk, do not lose. The files in the U-disk are backups of all the parameters of this machine. If you have multiple lenses, you will have multiple folders on your USB stick. Copy them all. Then search for a driver manager in your computer. Then you will find a new driver STYLECNC2 in the list. If you don't have this driver, please check that your machine is plugged in and turned on all of the machine's switches, or whether the USB cable is properly connected to the computer. Please update and install the driver according to the instructions in the video. Find the folder you copied on your computer. Find a driver folder. Select the corresponding file according to your computer system. When 1064-bit, please select x64AMD_LMCV2U. After the installation is complete, a BJJCZ device will appear. Indicates that the driver is installed correctly.